Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm premium box today. I am so excited. You guys already know, if you guys follow me on here, that I absolutely love Boxycharm. It is definitely worth every penny. I mean, just everything that you get inside the box compared to how much you're saving, it's just kind of like duh for me. I'm a little sad my box came quite beat up this time around, but I did open it already and just kind of make sure that nothing was damaged, and thankfully everything is still okay. But we are going to go ahead, take a look and see what I got. As you guys know, Boxycharm does have variations of their boxes, which kind of sucks sometimes. Not necessarily for me, because I, for the most part, generally love everything that I receive in my box. But for some people, it's kind of a problem just because there's certain items that they don't like, which, I mean, I don't really see the point in complaining when you're paying $25 and one of your items pretty much covers the cost of your box. The premium box is a little bit more expensive. I will go ahead and leave the information right here. That way you guys can see how much I paid for this box. And let's go ahead and check out what I got. Alright guys, so here's the box. Like I said, came beat up this time, but let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, it says Boxycharm Premium in here. As always, you'll get your little card insert. It has the theme of their month, and on the back it's all of the products, a little bit of a description, their retail price, and let's go ahead and see what I got. I don't remember if I made my choice option for this month. I don't know, I forget. But first things first is we have the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, and I love Sunday Riley products. So this is the box here. And this is the jar here. Now it says the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream deeply hydrates, visibly brightens skin, and provides advanced antioxidant support, formulated with THD ascorbate, a powerful, stable, and targeted vitamin C derivative that prevents and repairs the visible signs of premature skin aging. We all know I'm in my 30s and I am trying to fight this aging process with everything possible. So anything that says skin aging is always a plus for me. And this retails for $65. Oh, how cute. It comes with a little like spatula, which I actually really like when products come with this, because you don't want to go ahead and contaminate the product itself by sticking your dirty fingers, especially with nails. I know I do clean them underneath, but still, it's always nice to keep your product clean. Next up, we have the Ciate London New England Editor Palette. This is it right here. It's a cute little packaging. And then let's open it up. Ooh, I love all these colors. So pretty. I really like these colors. I don't necessarily want to dig my fingers into this yet, because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it or save it for a giveaway. So you always want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram, because I do periodically do giveaways. So that is in my box, which I love. And this retails for $32. Next up, we have the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is in translucent, and I'm actually really happy I got a setting powder because I do need a new one. So see, I didn't have to pay for it. Well, I did, but I didn't. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So that is it. It comes with the top to cover the sifter, which I like because then it doesn't get all over in the cap and in the grooves of the component. So that's that. And this setting, the description for this is, this setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which is good. We always want some of that, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. And this retails for $33. So I actually have never used the Born This Way powder, so I'm actually really excited to go ahead and try this out. Next up, we have this MAC Cosmetics satin lipstick, and this is in the shade Verve. I can't talk to you guys. Verve. Ooh, that's like a good fall shade. Yep. And we all know about MAC lipsticks. I don't really think I need to go into a description for that. And this retails for $19. Next up, we have this Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Liner. See the box right here. I love Milk Cosmetics. And it's double-sided? Oh no. Well, it is, but this is in the shade, what shade did I get? Oh, CEO. So you've got the actual liner right here on this side. And then on the other end, you have the smudger. So you can go ahead and kind of like smoke your waterline out. This retails for $22. And last but not least, we have this Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. Go ahead and open this, because I actually am going to keep this. I've been wanting to try one of these out. I just never bought one. It's supposed to help like smooth out your skin and help with blood circulation, which can help with cellulite, and Lord knows I need some help with that. Let me read it. Complete with reasonably sourced natural bristles and massaging rubber nodules. So these are the rubber nodules, and then these are the bristles right here, so it's white ones. This brush combines the vigorous texture to remove dead skin cells with the stimulation of the nodules to increase blood flow and circulation. Ultimately, this is our go-to for breaking up cellulite deposits, removing old dry skin, and leaving us feeling glowy and baby soft. So I'm super excited to try this out. You can actually use this wet or dry, but you definitely do not want to leave it in the shower. You want to leave it in a cool, dry area. So just make sure if you do use it in the shower to definitely go ahead and make sure you take it out. And this retails for $18. Oh, that's actually not even expensive. I could have had one of these. But anyways, that is everything that I received in my box. I am quite happy with everything that I got. But yeah, let me just go ahead and tally up the value of the box and let you guys see what I paid versus what it's worth. Alright guys, so the total value of my box for this month is $189, and the cost of the box was $38 and change, so let's say $39. So $150 is what I saved. I always get so happy when I find out how much I saved, even though I know it's always a lot, but that just goes to show you that the box is definitely worth the price that you're paying. So yeah, that is everything that I got in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of what you would like to see next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!